Understanding marginal cost is essential for grasping how businesses make decisions about production and pricing. In economics, the word marginal simply refers to the cost of producing one additional unit of a product or service. It is calculated by looking at the change in total production costs divided by the change in the number of units produced. Companies use this metric to decide if expanding production will actually lead to higher profits or just more expenses. While total cost looks at everything spent, marginal cost ignores fixed overhead like rent to focus on the cost of the next item. Often, marginal costs decrease as you scale, but they can spike if you hit capacity limits or need extra labor. The golden rule is that if you cannot sell a unit for more than its marginal cost, you are losing money on that specific item. Marginal cost is a powerful tool for understanding business operations. Subscribe for more finance basics explained clearly.